Hi there, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in this short video, I'm going to give a demonstration of how I get a clean grip of hair roots when done with a white girl's hair. Yeah. So to get started, you will want to sprinkle some amount of water on the hair roots, or I actually use rosemary water, but water also works perfectly, so you can use water also. Sprinkling water actually relaxes the hair shaft and makes it easy for braiding. Yeah. So to start installing, you want to wrap the attachment around the natural hair of your model. Yeah, you wrap it around like how I'm doing it, and section the hair into 3 parts. Yeah, obviously. So after getting that grip, you would want to get enough pull of her natural hair so the attachment gets to sit on her hair roots or scalp here to get a clean root. So I actually went ahead with fittings because of the situation of my attachment and the length of hair my client wanted. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate it for the second time. Trust me on this one, guys. This method doesn't hurt that much as some methods do. Yeah, you can trust me on that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinions in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Much love.